Hello and welcome to your NabTrade earnings season top 3. I'm Andrew Gagan. Life360 co-founder Chris Hulls is stepping down as chief executive after nearly 2 decades to move into the position of executive chair. Lauren Antonoff becomes the chief executive at the time with Life360 raising its full-year guidance after posting a 34% rise in second half revenue to $219 million. Net income rising to $11.4 million from last year's loss of $20.7 million. Chris Hulls saying the succession plan has been in place for 2 years and that of his own tenure, he said what started as an idea in the wake of Hurricane Katrina to help families reconnect in moments of crisis has become a platform trusted by millions around the world. I could not have imagined how far we'd come or how many families we'd impact. Well, Jefferies has a buy rating on the stock and a $50 price target. Elsewhere, Seven West Media is saying it will intensify its focus on streaming to offset broadcast results after posting a 63% drop in full-year net profit to $16.6 million. Revenue in the period falling 4.5% to $1.35 billion. Seven West Media says the post-election market was weaker than expected. As a result, the company will not distribute a dividend for FY25. Looking ahead, it's targeting more than $161 million in earnings over FY26 compared with $159 million over the past year. And SGH has posted a 9% increase in full-year net profit to $924 million. EBIT rose 8% to $1.54 billion, primarily driven by Boral and WesTrac. SGH saying the result was underpinned by its disciplined execution of the operating model across its market-leading industrial services businesses. A fully franked final dividend of 32 cents a share has been declared, bringing the total dividend to 62 cents, fully franked, up 17% on last year's payout. Here's Chief Executive Ryan Stokes.
Yeah, look, the diversified operating business such as ours, we're exposed to some long duration economic drivers and sector thematics, which we think will provide a growth over time. Short-term cyclical aspects play through, but we've got a broad range of assets and businesses that can drive returns and results through that. So I think the unique nature of SGH and diversified interests that we have enables us to deliver growth, even though you might find headwinds in geographies or markets in one business offset by growth opportunities elsewhere. So we think that's just a unique nature and strength of SGH.
And that is your NabTrade reporting season top 3.